Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, now we talk about collective noun. We did our noun. Noun is the name of person, place, thing, or animal. Okay, the noun two types. First, proper noun, then common noun. Now we will talk about collective noun. Okay, what is collective noun? What is collective noun? Now, group of people a group of people, animals, or things are called collective noun. A group of people, animals, or things are called collective noun. In this noun, collective noun, we will talk about group. We will talk about group of people. More than two or three, the group of people, group of animals, or group of things are called collective noun. Now we will see example like person, things, and animals. Person, things, and animal. First we talk about person. Person means we can talk here people. Okay, the first one is a class of students. A class of students. In class, so many students, so it is a collective noun. Next is an army of soldiers. In army, so many soldiers, so it is a collective noun. The third one is a crew of sailors. A crew of sailors. The fourth one is a band of magicians. We talk about a band of magician. Singer is one, but when we see so many musicians, like one is playing guitar, one is playing drum, so it's called a band of magician. It's called a band of magicians. Now the next one is things. Next one is things. A galaxy of stars. When we stars, we know that stars are so many. It's called galaxy. A galaxy of stars. A galaxy of stars. Second, a forest of trees. A forest of trees. In forest, so many trees. So it's called a forest of trees. When so many trees anywhere, so we say a forest of trees. A forest of trees. Next time, a stack of wood. A stack of wood. Now we talk about animals. An army of ants. An army of ants. Things, bunch of grapes, bunch of keys. They are called collective noun. Next, an army of ants, animal. So many armies are called an army of ants. Next, a flight of birds. A flight of birds. When so many birds fly in sky, they called a flight of birds. Next, a catch of fish. So many fish are called catch of fish. So they are collective noun. They are collective noun. A group of people, animal or things are called collective noun. A group of people, animal or things are called collective noun. Collective noun is depend on group. Now we will see some example. Our school team won the tournament. Our school team. Team is a collective noun. A bunch of keys. Bunch of keys. A crowd gathered here. Crowd means bheed. So crowd is a collective noun. Crowd is a collective noun. Indian army fought bravely. Indian army. Indian army. So they are a collective noun. When we talk about group, there was a collective noun. Our school team. Team is a collective noun. A bunch. Bunch is a collective noun. A crowd means we, so it is a collective noun. Indian army, it is also, army is also a collective noun. So today what we learned about a collective noun. A group of people, animals or things are called collective noun. People, things or animal. There is in any sentence we talk about group, so it is called collective noun. It may be person, things or animal. It may be people, things or animal. Okay students, I hope you understand this topic, and have a nice day. Bye students.